State health officials are preparing to reopen field hospitals in Massachusetts as COVID-19 cases continue to rise.
And the governor today making an impassioned plea for people to stop holding private gatherings. Western Mass News reporter Audrey Russo joins us now live with those details. Audrey?
The governor touched on a lot of topics today, including schools, sports, and field hospitals. But above all else, he implored people to stop holding private gatherings and to reconsider their holiday plans. For each of the last 5 days, Massachusetts has recorded more than 1,500 new coronavirus cases, and the governor attributes that to people changing their behavior and trying to get back to normal through small gatherings.
The innocent acts of small gatherings is where COVID is finding its greatest opportunity to spread. And you're probably going to hear this 3 or 4 times from me between now and Thanksgiving, too. Because if you look at what happened in Canada, and their Thanksgiving was in October, 2 weeks later, their numbers spiked.
In preparation for rising cases, the governor is reopening a field hospital in Worcester's DCU Center, saying that region is most in need. However, they're evaluating hospital capacity across the state.
Hospitals are currently operating at about 73% of capacity, and ICU capacity, this is overall, is at about 50%.
Now, the state back in the spring had 5 field hospitals, but in the end, 3 of them weren't used. The Mass Mutual Center in downtown Springfield was considered as a possible location, but at the time there was an evaluation done and it was determined that it was not needed. Going forward, a local hospital official tells me that they continue to report their numbers to the state, and at that level, those officials will make the determination as to whether or not a Western Mass field hospital will be needed in the coming weeks and months. Reporting live in Springfield, Audrey Russo for Western Mass News.